In today's watercolor animal tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw a bunny using the one-stroke technique. Hi guys, it's Ali. Thanks for joining me for another one of my online art classes. If you love watercolor animals, then get your brushes ready and let's learn how to draw this super cute hollow loop bunny. Before we dive in, here's a shout out to our Kawaii Art of the Week. If you'd like to see your art featured in next week's art class, check out Kawaii Art Tribe on Instagram. Without further ado, let's start drawing. You'll need an A6 size 200-gram paper and your large flat brush loaded with yellow and orange paint. With the orange color facing the outer edge of your bunny's head, draw a slightly flattened circle and make a small bump on the lower part for his chubby cheeks. Here you can see the magic of one-stroke painting. It's a super easy technique, especially for new watercolor artists to create smooth gradients in just one stroke. Once you're done with his head, go on to make 2 long loops for those droopy hollow loop ears. Then let's draw little petal shapes for his fluffy neck and front paws. Next, flip your brush with orange facing right and draw in a curve for his back. Make 1 more loop for his hind leg, then end off by using the yellow edge of your brush to dab on some yellow for his round tail. To give our bunny more depth and contrast, let's use a small flat brush to pick up brown and beige color. Go around the entire bunny with brown on the outer edge, leaving only his tail out so that it looks almost like a soft and puffy cloud. If you're new here, you might like to sign up for my free exclusive online art class where I'll be sharing all the secrets of one-stroke painting that every watercolor artist needs to know. Once you complete the class, I'll have a little gift to help you along your art journey too. Feel free to sign up via the link in the description below. Next, let's load our small flat brush with white and teal. Go on to draw in a little bow tie just below his chin to turn him into a daddy bunny. Once you're done, load the same brush with dark blue and teal. Then, draw a little hat on his head. We're gonna turn him into a daddy bunny since it's Father's Day this weekend. If you like to learn more cute and easy drawings like this, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to join me in my new art classes every week. Now let's give Daddy Bunny a vintage bow tie. Go ahead to load the same brush with white paint and dab on some stripes. I'm also adding some red stripes on his bow tie and hat to complete his vintage look. Next, let's add some pink to the underside of both ears and his cheeks. Now let's switch to our liner brush. Use dark brown to outline our bunny. If you are a right-hander like me, start from the top left of your bunny so you don't smudge any paint before it dries. For lefties, start from the top right instead. And if you want to learn more about these brushes and skin-safe one-stroke paints, I will link them down in the description below. Once you're done with this outline, go on to load your liner brush with black paint. Then, draw in his eyes, eyebrows, nose, and whiskers. Next, use dark blue to outline your vintage bow tie and hat. Finally, let's load up white paint on our liner brush for the highlights of his eyes. Then, add your finishing touches to intensify some of the stripes on his bow tie. And there you have your cute and easy daddy bunny. If you enjoyed this watercolor animal tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join me in my next art class. Which watercolor animals would you like to learn next week? Leave me a comment below if you'd prefer to learn how to draw a cat or a raccoon. I would love to see you try out this design, so tag me Kawaii Art Tribe when you post on Instagram. Happy drawing guys, and I'll see you in my upcoming online art classes.